Go to assembly, select the new component, rename this to screw root, press OK. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, make a line here 132 millimeters. Make another line here with 5 millimeters. Make this sketch here. Okay, make this line vertical. Make this point vertical. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 3 millimeters. The distance here is 1 millimeters. The distance between these 2 points here is 15 millimeters. And the distance between these 2 points here is 3 millimeters. And the distance here is 0.5 millimeters. Okay. We have this. Finish the sketch, go to revolve features. The axis is this line here. Press OK. Go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here and this edge here. The chamfer here is 1 millimeters, equal distance. Go to add selection set, select this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.5 millimeters and press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to create, select the thread, select this face here and click here, full length. Okay, we'll put the distance here 92 millimeters and designation M10X1 and click here, select modelet and press OK. We have this. Now go to create a sketch, select the top plane and select the circle. Make a circle here with 5.15 millimeters of diameter. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select the midpoint here and the circle. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between this circle and this edge here is 90 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. The operation here is cut, the direction symmetric and the distance all. Press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here and select this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.5 millimeters. Press OK. Okay, we have this. Show the others component. Active the manual clamp. We have this. Now go to assembly, select the joint, select this edge here, select this edge here. The motion here is cylindrical. The position here, we can move this a little bit here. Press OK. Now go to joint again. Select this edge here and select this edge here. The motion here is revolute. And press OK. We have this, okay? We see something wrong here. Let me correct this. The diameter here is different. Let me expect here 5 millimeters of diameter and here is 6 millimeters. So let's correct this solid here. Activate this solid here. Show the sketch. Let's edit this sketch here. Okay, the diameter here is 6 millimeters of diameter. Press OK. Now let's see here. That's okay. Here we finish our exercise. See you in the next video. The next video will be the last of this exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.